we just caught 51 lightning bugs. We just broke our record of 50 lightning bugs in one night. There's still more out there, but we just stopped because we wanted to break our record. So here's our bugs. We are going to release them. Come on, stop. See, okay. You hit it and they all light up. Okay.
No, just turn the jar, put the jar like this, they'll all fly out.
Okay.
So now we watch.
One.
Well, there's a bunch on the table. You don't have to count them now.
Yeah, I'm just going to watch them all. Just, they're all just going to float away. It's a lightning bug paradise. It is very nice. Some guys are still running on the table.
They'll figure it out. Fly, be free!
Be free! Come on, bugs.
Hey, maybe I want to stay here and talk to my friends.
Munch on some grass. Okay, party's over. Everybody leave, go home. Oh, he's stuck up there.
That's okay.
It's a whole bug thing. See y'all at the next family gathering. Oh, a giant mama up there. They're gonna be sticking to the roof. Wow. Wow, they're all on the roof. Look, turn the camera to the roof.
Oh, there's a bunch on the ceiling here.
Because I think we should let them out next time at not on.
They'll figure out how to get out.
Gazebo. All the bugs on the gazebo's roof.
They're still figuring out how to leave, some of them.
Oh, and there's a big spider over there. I don't like spiders. Spiders.
Maybe the spider likes lightning bugs.
Ah! My poor little babies. And I don't want to get...
Fly, be free, buggies.
Be free. They're trying. I don't want to get caught by the spider. I'm like, hey. I'm like, 1, 2, 3. Wow, this is a lot of bugs. Oh, he's stuck to the table.
Stuck?
Yeah, he's stuck.
Is he dead?
No, he's fine. Never mind. Because he was trying to fly away and he got stuck to the table. Apparently. Oh, there it went. They're still stuck to the ceiling.
That's alright.
Oh, there's a ladybug.
Alright, well that's most of them. That was fun.
Okay.
One last guy. Hello. You need to fly away.
Hello. Can we get the spider down after this?
No.
I want the spider gone. Keeps rebuilding his web. And I want the spider actually, like, in the grass somewhere. Gone. I'm scared to stand up.
We're done.
Come on, be free! Be free, little lightning bugs. We want one last one to fly away.
Fly away, lightning bug.
Fly away! Oh, there he went. The last one. Oh, go on.